guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Caroline. I'm sorry, I'm trying to find good lighting. So today I just decided to catch a breather at one of the nearby lakes. So this is where I'm at right now. Let me see if I can tilt my camera right there. You see how beautiful it looks? Oh my goodness. I like watching sunset. I don't know why. I'm so obsessed. I think it's just romantic, but anyway. So that was just a heads up, but see you after the break. Welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for staying with me. So I'm about to show you what this place looks like. I'm so obsessed. I like this place. The sunset is really good. I mean, let me there it is. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Just look at that. Isn't that relaxing? I don't know why I'm so obsessed with this kind of scenery. I don't know why, for some reason, but so just out here chilling, feeling good. Look at that. Oh, guys, tell me if you don't like this place. Like, for real, it's like anybody looking at this place should be in love, because I am in love. Oh my goodness, I'm just enjoying looking at the sun. Oh my gosh. Man, if I could just live it all my life, like, I don't know. It's just a beautiful scenery. Just appreciating what God created. Oh my goodness. There it is. I'm kind of at the end right now. Guys, I hope you're enjoying this scene right now. So guys, I decided to take this video because I wanted to share with you like what I'm up to and all that. I didn't actually plan to come here today. I did not, but for some reason I was just like, I had a very long day at work. Work was too much, so I needed something like, to ease me up or help me feel relaxed and all that, because I'm sorry, I'm not looking at the camera right now because the sun is like, I don't know, it's just too much. But as I was saying, I wanted to relax, have fun, and just enjoy what God created. And here am I. Oh my goodness, I just can't get over this place. Like, I just can't get enough. Oh my goodness, I'm in love. I just love nature. So guys, don't blame me at all. Do not blame me. Oh, I wish, anyway, I understand that there's some people who are like me. They love nature, relaxing and all that. So far so good. The breeze is cool, like way so cool. It was actually like 91 degrees here in Texas. Oh my goodness, it was so freaking hot. So enjoy with me, guys, please. The sun. I don't know, while we're here we're trying to catch some fish. We already caught like what? We already caught like 2. So yeah, I'm supposed to be watching something right now, but I just abandoned it because I wanted to share this experience with you guys. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this scene, and I'm still vlogging. I'll see you in my next joint. So guys, stay with me. I'm still here. So oh my gosh, where's the sun at? Let's see. Let us see. You wanna see it one last time? Let me just, right there. For those of you that love this, this is it. Just look at it. I'm sorry guys if I'm overdoing it. It's just that I can't get over this place, especially that what you're looking at right now.